Hello my friend, welcome to Smart Trader Channels. I'm Chris. I make video about trading strategy and trading lessons. I want to help you become a profitable trader by show you how to trade with its trading strategies and how to read the indicator signal correctly. I will also show you how to find the context fit with the indicator signal to help you trade with the high accuracy. In this video, I'm going to show you a swing trading strategies for Forex, stock, crypto. It doesn't matter. You can trade any market and any time frame. Swing trades mean hold for more than at least one reverse attempt or one sections or one day. You hold until the trade's premise is not valid anymore. In these strategies, we use Supertrend, Hootsuite, and RSI. You can check the setting in the description below. This is the Euro-Japanese pair and 5-minute time frame. For a buy trade, we need price above the two indicator and they are green. The market is not in the overbought market and only take the first signal when the red turn into green here. Only take the first signal, but when to entry, we find the trading range. Alright, this is the trading range. Bright breakout of the trading range. Here, right, trading range defined by this swing high, swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low, swing low. Okay, we will have many entry here. Okay, like my definitions, swing trade means we hold the trade for more than at least one reverse attempt. This is the one reverse attempt cut through the whole suite, so we can hold when the price break through the swing high. If the price cannot break through the swing high, the bullish premise is still not remain anymore, so we should close the trade here. Price breakthrough, so in here we can take profit. It's a good place to take profit. Okay, if you hold, you can have the risk and reward 1 to 5. But with me, at risk and reward 1 to 1 is a good risk and reward. 1 to 1 is very good. For a sell, we need price below 2 moving average and they are red. Also 5 a trading range. This is fail break trading range. Okay, this is fail break here. You need to identify the swing highs, swing high, many swing high in the same place and swing low in the same place. This is the easiest way to identify a trading range. Try breakout of trading range with a good breakout bar. So entry, price pullback. Entry here, stop loss above range high and okay, at least 1 to 1. So it's here is right, one reversal attempt, right going sideways. So as here, right cannot break the swing low with the good and go far. So when price break out of the swing low, right go back into the swing, into the range and the pyramid is still, the sell pyramid is no longer valid. I think it's a good place to take profits here, right? Good place to take profit. This is swing trade. Swing trades mean you hold when the pyramid is still not valid and the risk and reward have very high, at least 1 to more than 1 to 1. Okay, another sell trade example. Right, in the consolidations, breakout and quickly fail, breakout, quickly fail, and go to the opposite side. Here is the good breakout bar, right? You can see here. So entry, sell here, stop loss above, and risk and rewards, yeah, still hold for more than 1 to 1, right? Okay, I hope you understand these trading strategies. Very simple. If you follow the rule, always trade with the trend. Only takes the first signal when the whole switch turn green to red or red to green. Only risk 1 or 2% per trade. Do not trade too much, you will blow your account. Study and backtest before using real money. Study with these trading strategies, only one strategy at a time, to give you more experience, more knowledge than you study too much trading strategy. If you have any questions, comment below. Good luck and good trading.